got something for you, man.
Got the map.
Oh,
So
man, this is awesome.
that's what we did from the last video with 2 men and a
This
map.
is cool.
Yeah, so we're gonna sit down today and
Good
finalize
Lord.
all of the fine details with the full team. Moto.men's here together with the Black
There
Fox,
you go.
Nate,
Yes.
and the Chief.
Yep,
Ready
Indian
to
Chief,
plan.
baby.
And the white snake.
And
The
white
bee.
snake.
Mr. B, let's
Awesome,
do it.
Let's
guys.
get over
Let's
here and
do
start
it.
doing some planning. Let's pull that thing out.
Let's pull it up.
Let's pull out that map.
Let's pull up the map. All right, guys.
Beautiful map. Fresh and crispy.
We'll use our nice Kenda mug that we got from
There you
Jason
go.
Baldwin on that corner.
Prime
Right.
tiger right here. Pulls up.
So, quick overview, huh?
Quick overview. Should we place some spots down?
Let's do the spots.
All right, so
Well, let's go ahead and start with the drone. So we're going to start up here at Roanoke, Virginia, and bring ourselves down to Galveston, Texas. Let's put a little dot right there. And that's going to be the primary start point for us. And we got the first trek, Andy, is going to be getting out of your state because that's
It's
a lot
a
of
long
hot time.
state.
Yeah. So
Very
we're
long
at
state.
how many Black Fox?
this is about
800 miles.
yeah, this is gonna be about 750 miles out to Roswell.
Roswell's where we're going next. Bam.
Roswell, New Mexico, right?
That's it. And that's our very first stop, so that's our first leg. And we're going to go in and fill in the roads here in a little bit, but we're showing the highlights of the main points for us. And then we're going to come up and hit Santa Fe. Bam, there it is.
Santa Fe right there.
And that's
Santa Fe.
just a stop. That's a waypoint for that day. That's not going to be the entire day.
So we're gonna go also to Los Alamos National Laboratories.
Oh, that'd be nice, right?
It's gonna be
Hey,
sweet.
are we touching
there.
Area 51 by any chance?
No, that's in Nevada.
Oh, yeah.
Then we're going to slide back up here, and then, oh my God, it's on the map. Pikes Peak, baby.
Pikes Peak.
Yeah.
Let's hit that. So
Colorado
Manitou.
Springs.
We're gonna be in Manitou, Colorado Springs, out to Pikes Peak.
Pikes Peak.
And we're hitting another mountain up there, aren't we? Besides Pikes Peak.
Mount Evans.
It
Mount
doesn't have it
Evans.
on this map, but we know it's in that
It's right in here.
vicinity, right?
Yep.
Perfect.
All right, and then we're going to start heading out of Colorado, and we're going to be trying to take ourselves out into
We're gonna be
Let's go.
coming around here. No, we're gonna be going up to Keystone.
Keystone, which isn't on the map either, but we're going to put the dot where we know where it's at.
So it's right out here.
That's where the Keystone, right
That's
there.
where Mount Rushmore is. Crazy
Wow,
Horse.
Crazy Horse.
And
So 16A and Neil's Highway.
Sturgis is out that
Sturgis!
way
Oh,
too.
that's right. Let's put a
Yeah.
map down, pin for that.
Boop.
So we're gonna be coming right out here, and that's gonna be right over here.
They're very close, right there.
Very close.
So then the fun starts. Now we're going to be hitting major national parks. We can slide ourselves back over and hit the Tetons first, I believe.
That's right. So we're gonna be cruising over, hit the Tetons. Why don't you point to it? It's right here.
There, Teton.
And then right above that is the big, beautiful Yellowstone,
Woohoo!
Getting up there, Yellowstone.
just north.
Just north, right up here.
And then another beautiful day because this is going to be some of your favorite areas, this northwestern portion, isn't it there, Scotland?
That's right. This is beautiful land. They're all my favorites. We're gonna be stopping off in Bozeman, spending the night there.
Oh, Bozeman, nice.
Then there's something called Glacier National Park.
That's right. We're gonna be going there the next day.
Any beauty in that?
Well, I think that it might be the most beautiful place I've ever seen
And
in
if
my
you
whole
want to
life.
see it, actually what you
But
can
you
do,
won't be able to see the glaciers, right?
not from there, this
Not
is
from
the
there.
national park.
It's all glaciated.
So,
Yes.
but
Yeah.
yes, in the video, Michelle, the time of the season that we're going is primarily was this mountains, wasn't it?
Right. Yeah, but they're all glaciated all year.
Okay. Education. So we're going to leave that way, head over to the last stop that we have in the North,
We're gonna
not
first
North America, but
stop
United
stop
States.
off over here in Mount Rainier.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So we're gonna be
Stop there.
stopping there.
And head up over into this region.
It's the northwestmost
Seattle.
corner. So it's gonna be Olympic National Park, and we're gonna be coming back around and staying over at Hurricane Ridge.
Then this nice little trek, it's called Sea to Sky Highway. Right through here.
Before we do that, we're gonna take a ferry across to Victoria Island.
Oh, that's
you're
right,
going
you
to
met
meet
that
your buddy.
gentleman.
We're gonna see our buddies.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're gonna
Right in Victoria,
We're gonna take
Vancouver.
the ferry there, spend the night.
Forgot about that guy, 'cause I didn't get to meet him, man. And then you got the Sea to Sky Highway that intersects up here on 99.
That's right. So we're going to be cruising across, and then we're going to be Sea to Sky Highway 99 right here.
Perfect. So now we're going into Canada.
Boom, boom. So over here, and then we're going to be jumping across the Great Alaskan Highway.
Which leads us into Alaska. We don't have as many choices, do we? How many road options we got out there?
I think there's one.
Just one.
Just only one, right? Just right.
We're going to
That's
be
right.
coming up. I'll drop a couple waypoints just so we can see what we're doing.
Right.
So cutting across.
So we gotta cut across from here.
We'll be coming across this highway right through here.
Mm-hmm.
So exactly where we stay, that's to be determined. We're going to be coming all the way up through here.
It's gonna be from here.
Yep. Right through here,
Cutting through
up
the
through
Yukon?
here. So cutting through the Yukon. And so White
So
Horse,
is that is going to be 99 or?
that's 99's just this section right back here.
Okay, got
so
it.
this is Alaska Highway 1 and 2, Yukon 1 and 2.
Beautiful highway.
Exactly. Cutting all through here, and we're going to be going all the way to Fairbanks.
Fairbanks.
That's right. High
Good
five.
lord.
What happens after that?
Ah, party begins.
We use our Kenda big blocks, man. We
The
get into
party
the Kenda
starts.
big blocks and start rocking out some more aggressive tires because that leads us to the
So
Dalton
we change the
Highway.
tires right here, right?
Right
Probably
here.
right there in Fairbanks, yeah.
Fairbanks, yeah.
Yep,
be
and
switching
that's
over
about
to
the time
knobs.
frame we should be hooking up with Jason Baldwin as well. That's to be our off-road guy for the Dalton, our Kenda representative. So
He'll keep us safe on the Dalton.
Yeah.
So the Dalton
we need
begins.
some dirt experience, man. Hook us up.
It's going to take a couple days.
We need to stop smiley faces. Get a star in there. Get a star in there, because what's that?
Prudhoe Bay.
Prudhoe Bay. So
Bay.
that's where we're going. So let's get a star down.
So Andy, you told me, he's like, I want to take a trip to Prudhoe Bay. And that was the final destination. That's where Andy wants to go. But it took
All the way from
all
there.
of this to get
And
you to that
personal
final destination.
activation.
You just
Right.
wanted to go from here to here, but we have to do all this.
What about this?
And borrows.
Oh,
What about
yes,
this?
sir. Well, that's going
Borrow.
to be,
Give
hopefully,
it a
as long as we
fly.
can line it up. We're going to make the phone calls this
Yucavec.
weekend, get up in the Barrows so we get a northernmost portion of the continent.
We jump
So
on a puddle jumper right
Yep.
across here, seaplane,
here.
and then come back.
that'll be the only section we don't get to ride a motorcycle.
Yep, nope.
No motorcycles in there.
There's
I don't
no
know how to get
roads.
them across.
There's
Might
no
be able to
roads.
Find one over there?
I'm sure there's
Hey, you never
something
know.
over there. Maybe a snowmobile.
Back here, and then we're coming back. Down
All the
here
way back
again.
here.
So what is our quick route back? I mean, we're coming back to Dalton. We're coming back pretty much the same way once we get back down into the Washington State area. But then we make a massive change.
Once we get here, we're going to be coming down the 101. So looping the 101, we're going to be coming all the way down here through Oregon Coast. 101 all down through here, and we're going to be stopping off at Santa Cruz.
Santa
And
Cruz.
so this will take us a day to get about down here. We'll spend the night again, do some
Right.
camping, and then we'll get over to Santa Cruz and do some camping on the beach.
So
Oh, that'd be perfect.
You know what we just established so far? We left from the Atlantic Ocean, but we didn't see it, we didn't touch it. We might have to do that at the very end. We might take an extension or something. We come down to the Gulf of Mexico. We slid up, went to the
Go to the
Beaufort
Arctic.
Sea. Yep, and now we got the Pacific Ocean.
Right
so we just
there.
need one more, and we've hit every,
All
ocean.
the major
Major
oceans.
waterways.
except for the Hudson Bay over here.
Oh, we'll get that next year.
Next
That's
year.
next
Next
year,
trip.
yeah, because we were talking about potentially doing a little East Coast trip and doing a event that we can have some of our new club members and such join us on.
We'll be here soon enough.
Coming
Get
there.
everything.
Get back.
So once we leave Santa Cruz, which, hold on, we can't leave too fast because we have an event going on at Santa Cruz. What's happening there?
Doing some camping on the beach and
Beach.
having a party.
Beach party!
Beach party, man. Beach party.
Hey, you guys like partying?
That's your
That would be good
hometown.
stuff.
That's where I grew
California.
up. That's where I grew up.
And then what's the classic way back? What we might think Andy's favorite part of the destination is going to be.
Area 51.
We're not going to Area
Oh,
51.
no,
That's
please.
in Nevada. We might have to go to Area 51. He keeps
Okay.
bringing it up. We're going to be cutting across here, and then we're going to be cutting through, and we're going to be doing the Route 66. So
Route 66.
we're going to be
Perfect.
going through Flagstaff, Sedona, and so we're going to be cutting through here.
Nice color coordination with the blue on the back.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Nice.
And so then we're going to be cutting the Route 66 all the way through. And so
The
where we
historic
stop
route.
off, we'll be going back by where we just came through, Albuquerque down here, back through here again.
Mm-hmm.
See the Grand Canyon. You ever hear that?
Grand Canyon?
I hear it's grand.
It's grand. It's big. It's huge.
It's aptly named.
That's right.
It's huge. Bigger than you think.
And then we're going to slide our tails over that away.
We're going to be going all the way out to Oklahoma City. And then we'll
All right.
be cutting up. And so Route 66 starts to cut up at this point.
Mm-hmm.
But we're going to be going to my wife's farm. And so it's right outside of Springfield.
Aha.
Why'd you use your middle
That'd
finger
be
to
great.
point at the farm, man?
Well, because I have stickers all over my index. I love this place. And so we're going to be showing up right over in here in Missouri.
And what happens there?
We're going to be having another party, man.
Another party.
Having
Party
one of
after
our
party.
buddies coming out, playing some music,
Yeah.
drinking some brews.
Right.
We're almost back home.
I think the only place we haven't partied yet was at Barber. We didn't really party except for with motorcycles, you know what I mean?
Sometimes
Which is
we
a
gotta
party
work.
for us.
Sometimes we got to
gotta
work,
work.
and sometimes we got to play.
But we have a good time everywhere we go, so we're glad we
Work
keep running
hard and
into
play
you
hard.
guys. And it's a small world, man. What happened last night? What happened last night? We're in Texas. We're down here, and we came from here driving 20 hours
Nate's
straight.
doing a burnout right here
Out.
at the Lone Star Rally.
And
the
Andy
police
was
officer comes over and says, "I might
Tire.
write you a ticket." And what did you say to him?
I know you, man. I said you
Jennings.
He said, "Burnout away."
we're out of here.
There we
High
go.
fives, a little bit of smiling, a little bit of motorcycle camaraderie
It's
goes a
good to know
long
people,
way.
and it's good to know that we are expanding across the whole nation with Frontline Eurosports and myself, and now Moto.men can grab onto this, and we're going to expand just as fast and have as much popularity across the whole world so we can share our charities with everybody. But we got our party.
Going to Nashville after that.
Oh, it's a good.
So we'll
great
be
music.
riding through South
Great
Missouri.
music.
Yeah.
Gorgeous part of the
Yep.
state. Gorgeous part of the country. Nashville, we're going to party again, I think.
Yep.
Okay, I'm down with that.
But
Sounds
not
like a party
too
plan.
much because we're going to have our wits.
Dude, I wonder if my boy that I went to high school with is still living out there directing music and stuff. We might be able to play with and see a band.
We might be able to do that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cool, cool. I won't call you out until I know you're still living
It's
there.
Clint Black, right?
You love my homies. But man, we gotta do something, man. It's only another day. It's only another day.
We're going to be coming out here doing the Dragon.
Oh, the
So,
dragon.
129.
Fantastic.
Cherry Hollow Highway, Deals Gap. Got to hit that.
Was it 319 turns and 11 miles?
319 turns and 11 miles.
I never counted, but that
Wow.
sounds right to me.
Yeah, they got it on a t-shirt.
Wow.
Well, you
That's
can be from the
crazy.
Florida t-shirt they got there. It says 11 turns and 319 miles. Have you seen that? Good.
We were thinking about coming all the way back through here on the Blue Ridge Parkway. And so I'll just put a sticker in there through Bristol, Blue Ridge Parkway, maybe see the snake.
Cool, cool.
Come back here, but you want to bring us all the way back? I'm up for Norfolk.
Let's see what
So
happens.
Virginia
July-
Beach.
Yeah, used to be stationed out there, man. I'll see if we can stop in and check out the boys.
We're going to be going to Frontline Eurosports first, having one more party, and
Yeah.
then
The 4th.
we might need to do one ride to the coast and get all the
All
major.
four covered. 1, 2,
waterways.
3, 4.
You
All
wouldn't
right.
like that. So now we have orientated Andy, the chief, over the lay of the land for our trip. We're going to get down, start finagling through each state. We're making a color-coded book that's going to have all of our routes that are,
Right.
are laminated.
Day by day.
Black
yeah.
Fox is working on that, so that way you'll have something to follow us, because this is a trip for
Sheet for every
aspiration.
day.
Yep. So here's your flip sheet, like we used to do with the old roller maps.
This
So,
is how many miles is all of this?
what was it?
14,000 miles?
14,000. If we do this right here, we're going to be pushing 15,000.
15,000, right?
Easy.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah.
So
Because we got
it's a nice round number.
1,400 just getting down there to start with, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
But that's what we're going to do. So we're going to give you some more opportunities to check out the Moto.men videos online by following our YouTube channel and Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and our website, and help great people by helping us help them with Moto.men.
Give us a hand, and we're going to be giving out all that help to everybody along the way.
Absolutely, guys.
And we got one thing to close for, because we have the biggest shout outs to our sponsors. First of all, a 180.
There we go.
Boom!
Triumph.
So Triumph's hooking us up. Thank you very much. We got Kenda, obviously.
tires.
And then we're looking at
There we go. The style
Style
model.
Martins.
There we go.
don't put your foot on the map. We put it on the drinks last night.
The dinner.
And then we've got Snap-on Tools helping
Snap-on
us out.
Tools.
We've got Fido's Home.
Fido's Home,
E-Kids,
E-Kids Home.
Got Two Fox Motorcycling.
Frontline Eurosports, and then we're going to be working to donate this money to disabled American veterans, service military war dogs, and cancer victims by the American Cancer Society, the Wounded Warrior Program, and U.S. War Dogs. So thanks for letting us help you guys out, and find us in our GoFundMe pages and help us help the community.
Thanks, you guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks,
Cheers.
everyone. We'll see you on the road.
Yep.
All right.
Good job.
restarted, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about all the captains, but we left in a wasted planet. I thought I had it all together, but I'm waking up sad. You don't need to show your faded love anymore to them. Can you feel the spark in city light when you stay tonight? That's the sparkles from my beating heart, and it breaks me so hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard. I don't need any hero to save me.